Hello and welcome. I am Isabella Cunha from Ateneo Graduate School of Business. Today, I will be presenting how Watsons Philippines is successfully building a beloved health brand through its integrated marketing approach. This presentation highlights how Watsons leverages integrated marketing communications to stand out in the competitive health retail market. In this presentation, we will explore two key components: the application of omnichannel marketing at Watsons Philippines, and the concept of integrated marketing communications. These elements work together to strengthen Watsons' position as a trusted health retail leader. Watsons is Asia's leading health and beauty retailer, and in the Philippines, it focuses on strengthening its identity as a premier health brand. By offering a comprehensive range of products and personalized health services, Watsons aims to meet the evolving needs of Filipino consumers while positioning itself as a trusted partner in health and wellness. Watsons targets health conscious individuals and families who seek reliable quality health products and expert advice. By offering a curated health and wellness experience, Watsons ensures customers feel valued, supported, and empowered to make informed health decisions, strengthening their trust in the brand. Watsons faces the challenge of standing out in a crowded and competitive market. Their strategy focuses on providing expert health advice, offering exclusive health product lines, and delivering personalized customer health services. Watson supplies omni-channel marketing to create a seamless customer experience. By integrating online platforms with physical stores, they drive traffic, enhance customer engagement, and build trust. This approach includes personalized offer through their app, exclusive health product promotions, and in-store services that reflect their commitment to health and wellness. The concept of integrated marketing communication focuses on harmonizing online and offline channels. Watsons combines digital platforms with physical stores to enhance customer experiences, drive traffic, and achieve commercial goals. This approach solidifies Watsons' leadership as a trusted health retail brand. Watsons O plus O strategy integrates online and offline channels to drive foot traffic and boost online engagement. This approach enhances customer loyalty, increases satisfaction, and ultimately strengthens sales and brand trust, ensuring a seamless customer experience. In summary, Watson's focus on becoming a trusted health brand is supported by its O plus O strategy, which ensures differentiation, builds deeper customer relationships, and strengthens its competitive edge through integrated marketing. This approach truly enhances brand love and loyalty. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation gave you valuable insights into Watson's integrated marketing approach. Feel free to connect with me through the provided LinkedIn link. Have a great day.